Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore the types of variables which form the foundation of any statistical analysis across various fields such as data analytics, biostatistics, business statistics, and educational statistics. These are few fields which I mentioned in my video. There are a number of different fields where data is generated and statistics is applied. This video is also important and applicable for that fields. Understanding the types of variable is crucial because they determine the types of statistical method and analysis that can be applied to your data. So moving forward, first of all, let's learn about what is variable. Variable is a characteristic which varies to an individual to individual, or an object to object, or an event to event. I have discussed in detail in my video CS02, the sample and the population, in detail what is the meaning of individual to individual, or object to object, or an event to event. If you want to learn that, you can see that video. I will share the link of the video in the in description of the video. Let's have some examples. What is the meaning of individuals, or an object, or event as an variable? In the business sector, employees. Let's suppose someone is want to do some research on employees' performance rating. Varies that from employee to employee. Here, the individual or variable is employee performance rating. That is based on their skill level and productivity. Let's suppose an object, if we take the variable over as the object, the price of the product is our variable, varies from one product to another depending on factors like quality, brand, and demand. If we take the variable as an event, the revenue generated at sale events like New Year sale. Here, the New Year sale is an event and it is a variable that varies from year to year. In health sector, for example, the patient blood pressure is our variable that varies from one patient to another patient. You see, similarly, the medication effectiveness varies by drug formulation, and drug formulation is our object. So for example, in an event, that is a flu season, that is our event. Patient visits is our variable. In the flu season, patient visit is our variable, differ from based on outbreak or severity. In educational sector, the test score of the students is our variable that vary from one student to another student. Similarly, for the object, the quality of learning material varies from one textbook to another depending upon the author and the publisher. And for the event as a variable, the attendance rate at parents-teacher meeting vary from one academic year to another depending on the factors like the time of the meeting or the school policies. So these are some different examples regarding the individual or object or event in three different fields. There are a number of other examples that may occur, that may be considered from your own field. So when we have discussed the variable, now see the types of the variables and their classification. Mainly the variable is divided into two types: the quantitative variable. Quantitative variable is a variable whose values can be expressed numerically, such as age, weight, sale, blood pressure, student test score. On the other hand, the qualitative variable is a variable whose values can't be expressed in numerical, such as gender, products, color, happiness, smoking, habit, etc. We can further discuss in next slides when how we can deal such type of variables for the data analytics. If the variable is qualitative. In this slide, we will just focus on the understanding the types and its classification. So the quantitative variable is further classified as the discrete variable and the continuous variable. So discrete variable is a variable that can take only whole number values or discrete set of integers. For example, number of students in class, number of items sold in a shop, or number of patients visited in a hospital. Number of students in a class, let's suppose there are 10 students in a class, and in other class there are 12 students. So there is not possible that in one class there is a 10 students and other class there are 10.5 or 11.5 or 12.5 students. Similarly, when we deal with the continuous variable, so continuous variable is a variable that can take any fractional value within the given interval. For example, age of the patient between 1 year to 20 years. If someone is taking data, the patients of the age of 1 to 20 years, so any value between the range 1 and 20 can be occur and can be considered our continuous variable. So this was the whole about the today's lecture. Hope you will learn it. Something new. If you got it, then please share my channel, subscribe my channel, and give a like. Thank you so much.